Dear students, in this session we are going to see previous year problems. If root 2 sin alpha by root of 1 plus cos 2 alpha equal to 1 by 7 and root of 1 minus cos 2 beta by 2 equal to 1 by root 10. Alpha comma beta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Then tan alpha plus 2 beta is equal to dash. It's a numerical type question. One minus cos 2 beta by 2 equal to 1 by root 10, which implies 2 sin squared beta by 2 equal to 1 by root 10. Sin beta equal to 1 by root 10. Root 2 sin alpha by root of 1 plus cos 2 alpha equal to 1 by 7. Root 2 sin alpha by cos 2 alpha equal to 1 by 7. Root 2 sin alpha by so tan alpha equal to 1 by 7. Cos beta equal to root of 1 minus sin square beta, 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10, 3 by root 10. Tan beta equal to sin beta by cos beta. One by root 10 divided by 3 by root 10, that is 1 by 3. Tan 2 beta equal to 2 tan beta by 1 minus tan square beta. 2 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus tan square beta 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 9. 2 by 3 by 8 by 9. 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. That is 3 by 4. We have to find tan alpha plus 2 beta, tan A plus B, tan A that is tan alpha into tan B plus tan B that is tan 2 beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha into tan 2 beta. For tan alpha, we know that value is 1 by 7. For tan 2 beta, that is 3 by 4. 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. Four plus 28 by 28. 28 minus 3 by 28. This will be cancelled. 25 by 25, which is equal to 1. That's the answer. It's a numerical type questions. Next one. Second question. The value of cos cubed pi by 8 cos 3 pi by 8 sin cubed pi by 8 sin 3 pi by 8 is 1 by root 2 1 by 2 root 2 1 by 2 1 by 4. Cos cubed pi by 8 into cos 3 pi by 8 plus sin cubed pi by 8 into sin 3 pi by 8. Cos 3a equal to 4 cos cubed a minus 3 cos a. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. So cos cubed pi by 8 cos 3a, we can use this formula, 4 cos cubed pi by 8 minus 3 cos pi by 8 plus sin cubed pi by 8 sin 3 into a, 3 sin a, that is 3 sin pi by 8 minus 4 sin cubed pi by 8. Four into cos power 6 pi by 8 minus 3 cos power 4 pi by 8 plus 3 sin power 4 pi by 8 . minus 4 sine cubed into sine cubed, sine power 6 pi by 8. You consider this one and this one. 4 into cos power 6 pi by 8 minus sin power 6 minus pi by 8 minus 3 into cos 4 pi by 8 minus sin 4 pi by 8. Cos squared pi by 8 whole cubed minus sin squared pi by 8 whole cubed. A cubed minus b cubed minus 3 into cos squared pi by 8 whole squared minus sin squared pi by 8 whole squared. A cubed minus b cubed. A minus b, that is cos squared pi by 8 minus sin squared pi by 8, that is a minus b into a squared cos power 4 pi by 8 plus ab or b squared, that is sin power 4 plus ab, that is cos squared pi by 8 into sin squared pi by 8. This is expansion of this term. Minus 3 into a squared minus b squared, a plus b into a minus b, cos squared pi by 8 plus sin squared pi by 8 into cos squared pi by 8 minus sin squared pi by 8. So this is the form of cos squared A minus sin squared A. We know that cos 2A equal to cos squared A minus sin squared A. So cos squared pi by 8 minus sin squared pi by 8 equal to cos 2 into pi by 8, that is cos pi by 4. So 4 into, for this portion answer is cos pi by 4. Into for this cos squared pi by 4 whole squared sin squared by 4 whole squared plus cos squared pi by 8 into sin squared pi by 8 minus 3 into this is equal to 1. Again cos squared theta minus sin squared theta, this is equal to cos pi by 4. So cos squared A minus sin squared, that is cos 2A. See the same value here. This is equal to cos pi by 4. Like that, this can be equal to cos pi by 4. 4 into 1 by root 2 a square plus b square. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b cos squared pi by 4 a square plus b squared, a plus b the whole squared minus 2ab minus 2 cos squared no, here we have cos, we should have cos squared pi by 8, a wrong written. Cos squared pi by 8 sin squared pi by 8 plus cos squared pi by 8 into sin squared pi by 8. So cos power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 pi by 8 can be written as cos squared pi by 8 whole square plus sin squared pi by 8 whole square. This is a square plus b square, that is a plus whole square minus 2ab minus 3 into cos 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So 4 by root 2 cos square theta plus sin, that is 1 minus 2 cos squared pi by 8 sin squared pi by 8 minus 2 plus 1, that is minus cos squared pi by 8 sin squared pi by 8 minus 3 by root 2. So 4 by root 2 minus 4 by root 2 cos squared pi by 8 into sin squared pi by 8 minus 3 by root 2. So 4 by root 2 minus 3 by root 2, that is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 2 cos pi by 8 sin pi by 8 the whole square. 2 squared 4 cos square by 8 sin square by 8. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a sin 2 into whole square. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 sin 45, that is 1 by root 2 the whole square. One by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 minus half. One by root 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 root 2. So option B is correct. Third sum. If x equal to sometimes n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n tan power 2n theta and y equal to n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta for 0 less than theta less than pi by 4. Then x into 1 plus y equal to 1. Y into 1 minus x equal to 1. Y into 1 plus x equal to 1. X into 1 minus y equal to 1. If you take n equal 0, cos power 0 1, for 1 cos square theta, cos power 4 theta, cos power 6 theta up to infinity. One plus x squared plus x cubed up to infinity. 1 minus whole power minus 1. Using this here 1 minus x, that is x squared, x cubed like that. 1 minus x, that is 1 minus cos square theta whole power minus 1. Sin square theta whole power minus 1. So y equal to 1 by sin squared theta. Which implies sin square theta equal to 1 by y. So y equal to 1 by sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 by y. You consider x n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n tan power 2n theta. If you take n equal to 0, 1, n equal to 1 minus tan square theta plus tan power theta minus up to infinity. This is of the form 1 minus x plus x squared minus x squared plus up to infinity, that is equal to 1 plus x the whole power minus 1, that is 1 plus tan square theta whole power minus 1. Secant theta whole power minus 1. 1 by secant theta, that is equal to cos square theta. So x equal to cos square theta. X equal to cos square theta, that is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square equal to 1 minus x, but sin square equal to 1 by y equal to 1 minus x. One equal to y into 1 minus x. So option 2 is correct. If the equation cos power 4 theta plus lambda equals 0, has a real solution for theta, then lambda lies in the interval minus pi 4 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus half. Minus half comma minus 1 by 4. Minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 4. Sin per 4 theta plus cos per 4 theta equal to minus lambda. Bring lambda into right hand side, that is minus lambda. So sin square theta whole square cos square theta the whole square equal to minus lambda. A square plus b square equal to a plus whole square minus 2ab. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus twice sin square theta into cos square theta equal to minus lambda. Then 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta equal to minus lambda. Lambda equal to two sin square theta into cos square theta minus 1. Lambda equal to 4 by 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta minus 1. Two sin theta cos theta the whole square by 2 minus 1. Sin to the whole square by 2 minus 1. Sin square to theta by 2 minus 1. Sin square to theta belongs to 0, 1. Which implies lambda belongs to if this value takes 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1. If this value 1, 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus half. So option 2 is correct. If L equal to sin square pi by 16 minus sin square pi by 8 and M equal to cos square pi by 16 minus sin square pi by 8. Then options L equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. L equal to 1 by 4 root 2 minus 1 by 4 cos pi by 8. M equal to 1 by 4 root 2 plus 1 by 4 cos pi by 8. M equal to 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. Now find L plus M. L, M. Just add these two. So sin squared pi by 16 plus cos squared pi by 16 minus 2 sin squared pi by 8 equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared pi by 8. This is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 sin squared equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared equal to cos 2a. Cos 2 into pi by 8. Cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. So L plus M equal to L plus M equal to 1 by root 2. Next find L minus M. Sin square pi by 16 minus sin square by 8 minus cos square pi by 16 plus sin square by 8. This will be cancelled. So cos square A minus sin square A. Cos 2a equal to cos square A minus sin square A minus cos 2a minus cos pi by 8. So L minus M equal to minus cos pi by 8. L plus M 1 by root 2 L minus M cos minus cos pi by 8. L plus M plus L minus M 1 by root 2 minus cos pi by 8. 2L equal to 1 by root 2 minus cos pi by 8. L equal to 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. L plus M minus L minus M equal to 1 by root 2 minus of minus cos pi by 8. L plus M minus L plus M equal to 1 by root 2 plus cos pi by 8. So 2m equal to 1 by root 2 cos pi by 8. So which implies m equal to 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. So the option 4 is correct. This is correct. That is, this answer is correct. Among the given options, option 4 is correct. The angle of elevation of the top of a hill from a point on the horizontal plane passing through the foot of the hill is found to be 45 degree. After walking a distance of 80 meter towards the top up a slope inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal plane the angle of elevation of the top of the hill becomes 75 degree. Then the height of the hill is, so it's a numerical type question. You have to find the height. The height of the hill, that is h. This point A, B, C, D, that is E, this is F. The whole angle, that is 40 degree angle of elevation of top. Then climbing up, inclined at an angle of 30 degree on traveling 80 meter. The elevation of the top is found to be 75 degree. Let this be y. This is also y. You take this is as x. So AB is the height of the hill, that is h meter. Let CD equal to x. Let ED equal to FB equal to y. AF, this is h minus y. In triangle ABC, tan 45 equal to AB by CD, 1 equal to AB, H by CD, CD equal to H, AB by BC, BC equal to H, CD plus BD equal to H, X plus BD equal to H, BD equal to, so this portion is H minus X. In triangle CDE, sin 30 equal to opposite by hypotenuse y by 80. 1 by 2 equal to y by 80. Y equal to 80 by 2, that is 40 meter. Cos 30 equal to CD by 80. Root 3 by 2 equal to CD by 80. CD equal to root 3 by 2 into 80, that is 40 root 3. So E equal to 40, CD, that is X equal to 40 root 3. In triangle AEF, tan 75 degree equal to AF by EF. AF equal to H minus Y. This is EF is nothing but dV, that is equal to H minus X. This is equal to root 2 plus 3. Sorry, 2 plus root 3. You can remember this is the results. Tan 75, that is tan 45 30 plus 30. Applying tan A plus formula, you can derive the results. Tan 75 equal to 2 plus root 3. So 2 plus root 3 equal to H minus 40 divided by H minus for X 40 root 3. Two plus root 3 into H minus 40 root 3 equal to H minus 40. 2H minus 80 root 3 plus H root 3 minus 40 into 3 equal to H minus 40. To H minus H plus H root 3 equal to, bring 120 this side, minus 40 plus 80 root 3. H plus H root 3 equal to 80 plus 80 root 3. H into 1 plus root 3 equal to 80 into 1 plus root 3. So h equal to 80 meter. Hence height of the hill is 80 meter. So we have seen few sums in previously. What we discussed, those sums were asked in 2020 JEE main. We can discuss more problems, previously asked questions in the coming sessions. Thank you.